Hello friends, how are you? Good morning to all of you. This is Ajay Kumar Sahu, your EVS teacher, present over here for today's EVS classes. Okay, so first of all, my dear friends, today we are introducing about a new topic, and the name of the topic is experiment with water. So first of all, we should complete the index with CW. So before starting the class, I want to say something better. During our teaching period, for today's teaching period, we will discuss about which objects are just sink and which objects are just float in water. Okay, so let's enjoy the activity. The topic that is experiment with water, lesson 7. Mark here. What floats and what sinks? There are some objects which are just sink and there are some objects which are just floats on water. Let's do some experiment about it. So put the following things into water and check whether they float or sink. Just mark here pulled puri, then steel plate, then spoon, then plastic bottle, then soap, then what a soap case. There are so many objects, but we have just taken here but a pulled puri, steel plate, spoon, plastic bottle, soap and soap case. So let's enjoy the activity. Mark here. So before starting the activity, you just know better what floats and what sinks in water. Some objects like coins, rocks and marbles, which are more dense than water, they will sink better. More dense means better the weight of that objects are more than the water. Okay, that's why they just sink in water. Objects like apples, wood and sponges are less dense than water. That's why they just float. Means those those objects having more density, they have just sink in water, and those objects which have more less density, they just better float on water. Just go through the PPT better. So why do things float and sink in water? Objects are made up of very tiny molecules. Molecules, atoms combined to form molecules better. This is very new concept for you better. Objects with tightly packed molecules are more dense than those where the molecules are spread out. Okay, so density plays a part in which some things floats and some are just sink. The objects that are more dense that can sink, and those objects having less dense that just float in water. You just go next better. Mark here. We have just taken here some spoon, some plastic, and some battery, a dice, and a stone is also, and some rajma dal. Okay, and also a bucket, that means to a bowl of some water better. Mark here bowl of some water. So one by one we just put it in the water. Just mark here better. Whenever you just put the above things in the water, just mark here. The plastic spoon it just floats on water. Okay, the marbles is just sink in water. The steel chamoch, the steel spoon is also that is sink in water, and the plastic items that is also float on water. The dice is also the sink in water, and the battery is also sink in water. So what's just mark here the experiment. Again we also taken some rajma in water. Just mark here. There is the rajma. The rajma is just better. Even your mother or put the rajma in water at that time, it just better sink in water because the dense of rajma, the density of rajma is more than the water. That's why it's just better sink in water. Mark here. Then better leaf. In case of leaf, dry leaves, you just mark here. The dry leaf is just better float on water. Why? Because it's less density than water. That's why it just better float on water. Leaves float in water. Mark here. Then do and learn better. You can do in your home also with the help of your parents. Just mark here. The child is just put some seeds inside the water. Just mark the seed is just sink in water because the weight of the sink, the density of the sink is greater than water. That's why it just sink in water. Mark here. The soap cake sink in water. There are two items is here, but soap and soap cake. soap and beta soap case. Soap, you just mark it whenever you just put the soap in the beta water, you just mark, it just sink in water. ये पानी के अंदर से डूब जाता. Whereas the soap case, it is made up in plastic. It just float in water. Mark here beta. And another one is बेटा pulled पूरी. जो पूरी मम्मी ने बनाती है बेटा, तुमने पूरी खाने में बहुत लाइक करते हो, you just mark the पूरी. Whenever the pulled पूरी, the पूरी you just बेटा put inside the hot water, hot liquid. At that time, first of all, you just better dip inside the liquid. After some time, you just pours on the liquid. That means to the oil. Just how it mark it better. Puri which did not pulp sank into oil. Mark here the puri is just better floating on the hot oil. Pulled puri float on the oil because it is less density but less dense than the hot oil. Then each pulled puri will float in water. Yes, we have already experimented. Listen, beta. Pulled puri in a bowl of water would float as it is lighter than water. However, after some time it would start to sink due to absorption of water. It absorbs some water after some times. That's why it is also sink in water. Okay. Then mark here pulled puri. Mark here it just better float on the oil. Then steel plate, it just better, it also float on the water. Okay. Then I have taken some soap and soap case also. Once again mark here. Here the soap is sink in water. Mark here the soap is just sink in water. Whereas the soap case is just better float in water because it is less density than the water. Whereas the soap is more dense than the water. That's why it sink in water. Mark here once again. The spoon is just better, that is sink in water. Mark it, that is sink in water. Whereas plastic bottle, it is with the better cap, the plastic cap, it is just better float on the water. Then ice cube floats in water. Sometimes better you also mark better the ice. You just take a piece of ice in your fridge from a refrigerator and put in the water better. After some time just mark it just floats in water. ये पानी के ऊपर भासता है. Why बेटा? Because it is less density than the water. That's why the ice cube also floats on the water better. Mark it. Wooden boat. In case of wooden boat, you are very fond of to play with the wooden items. है ना बेटा? Wooden board is here. Mark here. The small child is also just put his wooden board in the water. After putting the wooden board in the water, it just mark here. It just floats on the water. The sinking ship due to some overloaded. Sometimes better the ship is also sink in water. The ship is also sink in water because due to overloaded. अगर ज़्यादा loaded हो जाएगा तो it can also sink in water. That's not matter. You can also see the pictures of Titanic. Yes, no better. The pictures of how the Titanic boat is also sink in water lastly. Just mark here. The wooden boat occupy hollow space. Just mark here बेटा. The wooden boat is completely the hollow space. जो mark here. इसमें थोड़ा hollow space है inside it. So that's why it better floats in water, and it is also less density. It has also less density than water. That's why it floats in water. So why does ship float on water? One question is arises in your mind, beta. So why does ship float on water? If a large object like a ship is lowered slowly into water, it will display more and more water, beta. It will display more and more water until the weight of water displays equal the weight of the ship. At which point it will stop dropping and float. ओके दैट मीन्स टू बेटा अगर एक ये बड़ा सा ऑब्जेक्ट है, हम कुछ भी एक बड़ा सा ऑब्जेक्ट लेते हैं दैट कैन बी लोअर्ड स्लोली विथ वाटर, पानी में स्मूथली और स्लोली उसको हमने पानी के अंदर से ऊपर से डालते हैं, इट विल डिस्प्लेस सम मोर वाटर, इट विल डिस्प्लेस सम वाटर बेटा, वो पानी का जगह ले लेता है बेटा, है ना, पानी को कुछ पानी को हटा देता है, इट डिस्प्लेसेस मोर एंड मोर वाटर अंटिल द वेट ऑफ द वाटर डिस्प्लेस इक्वल टू द वेट ऑफ द शिप, शिप का वेट जितना है इतना पानी वो क्या करता है ना, पानी को वो सिप कराता है, उसको डिस्प्लेस कर देता है। एट व्हिच पॉइंट, कौन सा पॉइंट में, एट व्हिच पॉइंट इट विल स्टॉप ड्रॉपिंग एंड फ्लोट, दैट्स व्हाई इट फ्लोट्स इन वाटर। ओके देन मार्क हियर बेटा, व्हाई एनीथिंग फ्लोट्स or sink. Question is here beta why we are just knowing about the density, but another thing is also here. So what's the things is just mark here beta. This happens because of bouncy force. The bounce force is also here beta. Mark the bounce force. What is the bounce force? Whenever you just kick a football, okay beta, whenever you just kick a football, whenever you just drop with the फ्लोर, जब फ्लोर के साथ वो ड्रॉप मारता है जो ऑल्सो क्या उसको ड्रॉप मार के ऊपर तक जाता है बेटा, ठीक है। देखो बेटा, तो ये है बाउंसी फोर्स, जब वो फुटबॉल नीचे तक आता है फिर यहाँ पे ड्रॉपिंग ही ऊपर तक जाता है। देन बेटा यू जस्ट मार्क द सेकेंड फिगर बेटा। इसमें देखो पानी के अंदर से तुम कुछ डाल रहे हो, पानी के अंदर से जैसे तुमने कुछ डाल रहे हो फिर वो ऊपर तक जाने के लिए कोशिश करता है। तुमने नीचे फोर्स कर रहे हो नीचे डालने के लिए, लेकिन वो ऊपर तक आने के लिए कोशिश कर रहा है। दैट इज कॉल्ड बाउंस फोर्स। जस्ट मार्क हियर बेटा। तो वेट ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट, वेट ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट, आई हैव टेकन सपोज एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज हियर, सपोज दिस इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट बेटा, दिस इज फ्लूइड, दिस इज लिक्विड, सपोज दिस इज बेटा लिक्विड। द बाउंस फोर्स, तुमने यहाँ पर प्रेशर डाल रहे हो, वेयर इज द बाउंस फोर्स ऑल्सो तुम्हारा अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहे हैं। तो उसी सेम ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर तुमने इधर से फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, पर द वाटर जो पानी जो फ्लूइड है वो इधर से उसको ऑब्जेक्ट को बाउंस फोर्स अप्लाई ऊपर तक खींचने जाने के लिए कोशिश कर रहा है। देखो बेटा बाउंसी फोर्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड बाउंसी फोर्स। देखो डेफिनेशन, तो व्हाट इज ए बाउंसी? बाउंसी इज द अपवर्ड फोर्स बेटा, इट इज नथिंग, इट इज ओनली द अपवर्ड फोर्स एक्सट्रैक्टेड बाय लिक्विड टू अपोज द वेट ऑफ एन इमर्स ऑब्जेक्ट। इमर्स मीन तुमने किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को पानी में अंदर से डालते हो का मतलब तुमने जितना फोर्स अपने अप्लाई करते हो उससे ऐसे भी एक अपोजिट फोर्स बोला पानी के अंदर से उसको ऊपर उठाने के लिए कोशिश करते हो। दैट इज कॉल्ड बेटा बाउंसी फोर्स। ओके, देन मार्क हियर। तो हियर वी जस्ट कंक्लूड दैट बेटा व्हेन बाउंड फोर्स इज मोर देन द वेट ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट देन द ऑब्जेक्ट इज फ्लोट। Now previously we have already learned if the density of an object is less than the density of water, then it will float like this. When a bouncy force is more than the weight of an object, then the object is float. When the weight of an object is more than the buoyant force, then the object will, that is, sink. That's the answer. Two things is here, you just noted down in your copy. First one is better when the bound force is more than the weight of an object, then the object will float. Then second one is better when weight of an object is more than the buoyant force, then the object will sink. Okay, then just mark here. I have taken two to three objects here beta. One ship is here, another liquid. I have taken some liquids also here and put some the nail, that is nail also. Just mark it. Floating or sinking of an object only depends on upon the area of the object. इसका एरिया कितना है उसके ऊपर वो नॉर्मली डिपेंड्स करता है बेटा। When area of an object is more, then the bound force extracted by the liquid will be more than the object will fall. अगर उसका एरिया थोड़ा ज़्यादा है बेटा, then it will be बेटा floats on water, उसको पानी के ऊपर भी भाग सकता है, ठीक है। लाइक ए हैवी शिप विल फ्लोट। देखो बेटा एक हैवी शिप है, आई हैव टेकन हेवी शिप, लाइक ए हैवी शिप विल ऑल्सो फ्लोट, बट ए नीडल सिंक, एक छोटा सा नीडल है जो पानी के अंदर से डूब जाता है, क्योंकि उसका इसको हम बोल सकते हैं उसका डेंसिटी ज़्यादा है पानी से, इसलिए डूब जाता है। एट द सेम टाइम द बाउंसी जो इसका एरिया थोड़ा छोटा है, दैट्स व्हाई इट कैन ऑल्सो सिंक इन वाटर, बिकॉज द एरिया, जस्ट मार्क हियर बेटा, द एरिया ऑफ द नीडल इज स्मॉल एंड द वेट इज मोर देन द बाउंड फोर्स, that's why they extracted by the liquid. Okay beta, that's the only method. You can mark it. Now I will test you as per a textbook and set book. You just go through the textbook beta. Just mark it. You just put the tick mark of the following things, things that are float, and marks cross for this that are sink beta. Just mark it. Empty bottle or kotori, empty bottle or beta, that is kotori, whether it is sink or float. Then after putting 6 to 7 small pebbles on the, this is a homework for you. You can do the same question in your copy, and after your completion you just take the snaps of this of your answers, then make a PDF and also upload the answer sheets in the Google Classroom beta. This is for today's class beta. I hope you should enjoy the class, and if you have any doubt then you may also discuss with me after the class. Okay beta, thank you and have a nice day beta. Okay, bye.